Hi guys, it's Channing here. Today I'm coming through with a brand new hair tutorial. I'm aware that Valentine's Day is next week, and I know that there are a lot of people who are fans of the top buns. I absolutely love top buns. I wear them a lot with my real hair on pretty much on an everyday basis if it's not back in a ponytail. But I know that a lot of you guys love the Marley hair, so I figured I could do two different options for the top bun that you guys could possibly wear for Valentine's Day. Believe it or not, I do receive a lot of messages about Marley hair, so my goal here was to really try to get into it and give you guys a few more options to choose from on my channel. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. 7 strands of hair. We're going to do it exactly like this, like we always do. And I was actually shocked because I thought that I had done a plain bun video already. So that means that I didn't even start off and show you guys, this is how you would do a bun. I believe I did show it in the tutorial, but you would have had to watch the actual tutorial in order to see, how to do the regular bun. So, my bad. So yeah, you're going to keep those two separate, and they're separated by the actual hair bow.
Okay guys, for this first bun, I'm actually not going to go through and give you a step-by-step because I feel like I slowed it down enough to really show you guys how it's done. And this was actually one of the neatest buns I have ever done. So, we're in luck.
See how neat that is? And this is a perfect style for Valentine's Day, guys. Put on your red lip. It's so simple, very neat. You'll be able to show off your beautiful face. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get into the second bun. I'm going to do the same exact thing that I did before. And guys, I have 6 pieces of my Marley hair. I would be lying to you if I said that I was completely positive that this is how much hair I need right now. A lot of times I just eyeball it. So I hope we're okay and we don't have too much hair or too much hair. So right now I have a bun. I've already slicked down my hairs that I want down and everything. So I'm gonna wrap that on around there. Okay. For this bun, I'm gonna use some gel. Gonna put that gel on my hand and apply it to the hair, because we're going to need that hair to be a little bit neater than we normally need it to be, you know? You guys already know that I love to pin my hair here to hold it in place. That's going to be very useful today, considering the style that we're doing. Okay. So yeah, guys, from time to time I'm going to stick my hand over there in that gel when needed. But yeah, we're going to start by wrapping this around. And you're going to take it under the previous one. Under the previous one. But make sure you keep that up. Under the previous one. And then we're going to tuck it. Now for this side. Opposite direction, and we're still going to go to the bottom. Continue twisting. I like to guide my hair a lot better. To the bottom. And tuck. And then the hair that's up here at the top, I just begin, separating it out a bit to make it look better. Just to make my hair blend in a lot better with it, And if you want, you can go in and pin different areas and stuff as needed, but this is our bun. Which bun do you like best? I hope you guys enjoyed this little bun series that I did for you guys and definitely use them. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.